It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and V6 engine. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.